Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are currently on vacation, staying in a vacation home condo thing. We never stayed in one of these before, but it's really nice. I'm like really happy with the place that we found. I want to give you guys a tour just for fun. I wish that we owned this, honestly. It would be so nice to come down here and just have a house like this. I feel like it's really nice. I think it's really nice. I feel like I did a good job finding this place for us for vacation. So I'm gonna go ahead, turn the camera around, show you. It is a little messy because we've been here yesterday. We've already spent like half a day and night and everything, so it's a little bit messy. And Noah is sleeping, so I'm gonna be a little bit quiet when I get down to like the bedrooms, but I'll just show you guys around, show you what it looks like. So yeah, let's go. So here is the front door. You can't really tell, but it's really cute. It's got like some bamboo like stained glass in the door. Anyway, you walk in and ta-da! So here is like the main living area. We have a living room, the kitchen back there, and then the dining room. These are cushions for the outside patio, which I'll show you later. We had to take them in at night in case it rains, so they're all just like piled up here. But there's an outdoor patio. I want to put the cushions on first before I show you that to make it look cute. But they have this nice big couch. It's actually a pull-out couch, and that one like reclines, so that's really nice. Rug. It was really clean in here, like decently clean. Like I'm pretty happy with it. TV stand, TV, the table. One reason I like this place was because it had enough chairs for us all to sit here and eat if we wanted to. Nice table, pretty cute. This is the kitchen. It's small, but it's nice. It has everything that you would need in a kitchen. You know, dishwasher, sink. There's a toaster, coffee maker, microwave. And one way I know that these people who own this are pretty clean people, they have a cover in their microwave, and the microwave is clean, but I mean, they have cleaners come in, so they probably do that, but they keep a cover in the microwave to keep your food from splashing. So I was like, yeah, these people gotta be pretty clean people. A lot of people don't do that. But yeah, pretty cute. And they have like a little, I don't know, it's not an island thing here. There's utensils and stuff in here. Refrigerator. They got a cute picture on the wall over there. And the beach chairs. Mirror. And then this is the hallway, and everything else is down this hallway. So this is the first bathroom. This is like the shared hallway bathroom. I don't know why those are here. I think I was going to take these out of here. Whoops, I was going to take this out of here too. I cleaned something. I cleaned Noah's, hi guys! I cleaned his sleeper thing for nighttime in the sink, but I cleaned out the sink first before I did that. But there's a sink, and then they had all this stuff here. I should have cleaned this bathroom up first. I forgot that I did this. But that's my laundry detergent. LD for laundry detergent. And yeah, it's really cute. Toilet, and then the shower. It's really clean. Everything is really clean. The only thing so far that I've noticed is that the tub fills up with water. So I'm assuming there's just like a huge clog of hair in here because there's no hair catcher, which I really think that there should be a hair catcher. So the tub fills up when you take a shower, so that's kind of gross. But it's really cute. I really like the decor and everything. But yeah, so that's that bathroom. And then across the hall is the kids' bedroom. They have been loving the bunk beds. Chase slept on the bottom last night. Madison gets the top because she's older. And there's a cute little desk in here. I kind of think I might want to get Madison something like this for her room because I think she would like having her own spot to, like, I don't know, she could sit and do homework if she needs it to be quiet, or she could sit and color or do whatever. The only thing is, this is kind of wobbly. Like, it's not the sturdiest thing, so I don't know. Maybe I could find her something like that for her room. But there's a closet back here. There's a lot of closets in this place, and they're pretty big. But yeah. Hi. So yeah, cute room. And then into the hallway. I have a cute little table over here. Then this is where they have the washer and dryer, which is really nice because we're probably gonna have to do a load of laundry because Noah spits up so much. So they got washer and dryer. There's even like detergents and bleach and stuff. There's an iron up there. Then this is the room my mom is sleeping in. Cute. She's got it all set up, but and another closet. Oh, there's a cute little table over here. Now I'll show you the room Greg and I are sleeping in, but Noah's sleeping in there, so I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna show you. This is the little patio area. So cute. We got table and chairs. You know, a little outdoor couch thing. Coffee table. They got a lobster in there. And a plate of shells. Little outdoor rug. But yeah, it's super cute. So that's it for the house. It's really cute, it's really clean, and I'm really happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys all for my next video. Bye.